Hi guys, Shrikant here. Today in this session we are going to understand how to create temporary storage procedure. How to create I would like to tell one example. Recently I was working on one of my production environment. There I was facing issue that something was missing in the code. So the problem was I don't have the write access for that, so I was having just read access. So the problem was that the procedure was having all the select statement, but I had only the read access, so I can't execute the procedure itself. So the problem was here there itself, that I need to have the write permission, then only I can access the procedure and I can execute the procedure. Other way around is that I should go the line by line code and I should execute the entire procedure, or I should debug entire procedure. So instead of doing that, I thought, why should not I create one of the temporary procedure of that. I mean to say, why should not I create the clone of that procedure, and that procedure should be temporary one, right? So like we have the temporary table. How we will create the temporary table in SQL Server? Normally we will create the temporary table with the prefix starting with hash. For example, let's say I want to create one temp table and name it as a temp, and so how I will write it? I will write like hash temp. So this table will be termed as the temporary table, local temporary table, right? This table will be limited to this session. So like that, we have the concept in SQL Server that we can create the stored procedure, and which will be temporary. That means if the session is closed, that procedure will be destroyed from the server. So let's say I'm creating one procedure, create procedure, that will be the permanent procedure. Create procedure test, right? And it has just one select statement, select one. So what I did, I created one procedure and name it as the test. Let's run it. So if I there is already, okay, I already have this one, so I'm just giving one other name which I don't have in the system. So I'm creating test22, the procedure. If I see the structure of this procedure, I will see that this is the test2db or to store procedure, right? Okay, and it is not having any parameter, so it will not show me any parameter. So I'm just executing this one. And when I execute this procedure, I will get the output as a 1. So like this, now I have all the admin access, that I have the read, write and all the access. So now the question is, let's say I am working on one environment there, I don't have the access to the write access. I mean, I don't have access to execute any procedure. So how will I execute procedure if that procedure is just having the select queries or something like select operations? So like temporary table, I will just apply the hash before the any name, that this name is a dummy name, right? So I'm just creating it and executing it. So when I execute, it got successfully executed. Now what I'm doing, I'm just closing this session, closing this window. When this, it means I'm closing the session. Now executing the same procedure in this session, new session. So I will say could not find has test22. It means this procedure is destroyed, is removed from the system. So in this way we can understand how we can create the temporary procedure. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.